Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Ever feel like opening a web browser just to do a quick search or ask an AI question takes just a bit too long? Well, things just got a whole lot easier. Google has finally released the Google app for desktop, and it brings powerful tools like Search, Lens, and Gemini AI right to your computer, accessible with just a simple shortcut. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to download, install, and set it up step by step so you can start using it right away. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser. Now go to the search bar and type Google app for desktop. You'll usually see it as the very first result, and it should be from the official Google site, search.google. Go ahead and click on it. Once the page opens, look for the Download the App button. Click on it to begin the download. It won't take long. Just give it a few seconds to complete. All right, once the download is done, go ahead and open the installer. Now, the installer will automatically download the required components in the background, so just wait for it to finish. And there we go, the Google app window pops up. This is the welcome screen, and it gives you a quick overview of what you can do. You'll see options like Ask Anything with AI mode, Search what you see, and Stay in Flow. Now, to get the best experience from this app, you'll want to sign in. So, click on Sign In. This allows the app to connect to your Google account, so it can sync your activity and even access files from your Google Drive. If you're already signed into your browser, you might just need to select your account. Otherwise, simply enter your email and password. I'll select my Gmail account here and click Sign In again to continue. Perfect. Now the app shows you a few quick tips. The first tip, you can get AI-powered responses instantly. The second, you can upload files or images and ask questions about them. The third, you can ask questions about anything currently on your screen by sharing your screen or a window. And the fourth, you can quickly search anything visible on your screen. Now at this point, you'll see an option to allow the app to search across the web, your Google Drive, your apps, and your saved files, all at once. I'll leave everything enabled for the full experience. Then click on Done. And just like that, you're all set. Now here's something really cool. You can open the Google app anytime using the shortcut Alt-Space. You'll also notice a desktop shortcut, which you can use whenever you want. From here, you can ask anything, share your screen, take screenshots, and even ask questions about them, all within this single app. This video was focused on downloading, installing, and setting up the Google app for desktop. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how to actually use each feature like a pro, and that's how simple it is to get everything up and running. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you in the next one.